Why are war crimes prosecuted by the International Criminal Court? Recent events have brought the topic of war crimes and international justice into sharp focus. As conflicts continue to unfold around the world, many are asking why the International Criminal Court plays such a vital role in prosecuting these crimes. This is especially relevant now, as discussions about accountability and justice for victims of war crimes are more urgent than ever. War crimes are prosecuted by the International Criminal Court to uphold international humanitarian law. This includes the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, which aim to protect civilians during armed conflicts. The International Criminal Court was established by the Rome Statute in 1998. Its purpose is to hold individuals accountable for serious international crimes, including war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, and aggression. The prosecution of war crimes is essential for enforcing legal standards that prohibit actions like targeting civilians and torture. These violations shock the conscience of humanity. The International Criminal Court serves as a mechanism for justice when national courts are either unwilling or unable to prosecute these crimes. This ensures that perpetrators are held accountable and do not act with impunity. The court focuses on victims who have suffered from atrocities during war. By holding those responsible accountable, the International Criminal Court aims to offer victims dignity and respect. The prosecution of war crimes also reinforces the protections established by the Geneva Conventions and customary international humanitarian law. These laws requiring parties in armed conflict to distinguish between combatants and civilians and to minimize harm to non-combatants. When these rules are violated, the International Criminal Court intervenes to maintain the rule of law in war and deter future violations. However, the court's jurisdiction is limited. It only applies to crimes committed by states that have accepted its authority or when situations are referred by the United Nations Security Council. This framework ensures that the court acts as a complementary institution to national justice systems. In summary, the prosecution of war crimes by the International Criminal Court plays a vital role in enforcing international humanitarian law, protecting civilians, and providing justice to victims. It supports the broader goal of maintaining peace and security in a world often marked by conflict.